Do plants have sex? Plants produce beautiful, elegant, fragrant flowers for one reason only, to have sex, and they can make babies. So yes, plants actually do have sex directly or indirectly. It is called pollination. Pollination is the process by which pollen is transferred in the reproduction of plants, thereby enabling fertilization and reproduction. It takes male and female to create a fertile egg and form a mature fruit that will give off a seed to create new life. Self-pollination is the process by which pollen from the male part of flower is transferred to the female part of the same flower. Sounds like sexual reproduction. When people pluck the sweet-smelling blooms of a plant, they are actually dismembering the reproductive organs of plants. Male parts of flower called as stamens, that produce a sticky powder called pollen. Female parts of flower are called as stigma. Most plants sprout bisexual flowers which have both male and female parts, but plants like squash grow separate male and female flowers. Cross-pollination is the transfer of pollen, either by wind or insect, from stamens to stigma between different flowers. Pollination occurs in several ways. Usually plants rely on animals or the wind to pollinate them. When animals such as bees, butterflies, moths, flies, and hummingbirds land at the plants to get food, and get sticky pollen stuck all over themselves. Some of the pollen can rub off onto this new plant's stigma when they move to another flower to feed. Plants that are pollinated by animals often are brightly colored and have a strong smell, to attract the animal pollinators. Another way plants are pollinated is by the wind. The wind picks up pollen from one plant, and blows it onto another. Plants that are pollinated by wind often have long stamens and pistils. Plants also have sexually transmitted diseases. One of the most serious is anthers mutustiligoviolacea. This fungal disease causes the male organs anthers to blacken and shrivel. Anther smut is spread by unsanitary insect pollinators, who carry the infectious spores from one plant to another. The spores infect healthy plants during the spring flowering season, erupting in their sex organs a year later, when the plants once again enter their mating cycle. If you have a query, leave question in comment box. Click on subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.